That was a cool story and a good idea, good twist on training. But Britton, while the countdown to Halloween is on, if you ask me, it feels more like summer, maybe even spring still.
I agree. It definitely does not feel like Halloween. Hard to believe it's just around the corner, but it's a pleasant evening for the final evening of September. Also hard to believe. Not a cloud to be seen in the sky on our St. Angelo sky tracker this Tuesday evening. That's not just the story here in the city of San Angelo, but really all across west central Texas. After that little disturbance moved through the area yesterday, and that took all the showers with it. So with us, we're just left with a dry evening, and hopefully we can get some rain sooner rather than later. September's been a drier than normal month, and that's why we're starting to see these abnormally dry conditions return, and even some moderate drought conditions in this kind of tan shaded area from San Angelo northward towards Robert Lee, east of Abilene for places like Eastland and Stevens County as well. So even though we had a very wet summer and that was beneficial, we are unfortunately starting to see those impacts of drier weather. And also, unfortunately, I don't have a whole lot of rain in my forecast over the next 7 days. Clear skies on that Abilene sky tracker, still fairly warm in the Key City, 77 degrees right now at Abilene Regional Airport. Tonight, we'll have clear skies, maybe a little bit of cloud cover. Kind of similar to what we saw today, though, just a couple of cumulus clouds, no rain-making clouds. See, Timecast is showing just a couple of cumulus clouds across the area. Those will die out quickly, though, by late Wednesday into Thursday morning. Thursday as well, notice any hints of rain chances in far east Texas. October's beginning on a dry note. Now let's talk a little bit about your average October weather in west central Texas. The average high temperature in San Angelo is 80.5 degrees for October and 53.8 degrees. So we are going to be quite a bit warmer than that as we head into the first part of October. Abilene just a little bit cooler on both ends of the spectrum. Average high is 79.3 degrees and the average low temperature is 54.7 degrees. We're seeing temperatures in the 70s and 160 degree reading right now, 66 in Ranger, 72 Brownwood, I really should say temperature in the 60s, 73 right now, Graham, 74 right now in San Angelo. Winds out of the east right now, not really bringing a whole lot of humidity. So that's kind of the one saving grace with our forecast. Yeah, it's warm. It's not humid though, and that makes the world of difference for us in West Texas, not like how humid it is in south and eastern portions of the Lone Star State. Be right around 60 if you plan on going for a early morning run Wednesday, about 59 degrees, 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. Calm winds though, we warm up quickly. 60 by the 8 o'clock hour and near 80 by lunchtime. 80 degrees at the 11 o'clock hour. So if you eat lunch outside tomorrow, you definitely don't need the rain jacket. And you probably won't need any jacket though. By the afternoon hour will be quite warm. 85 degrees by noon, 88 degrees by the 1 o'clock hour. I'm officially forecasting a high of 92 for your Wednesday in San Angelo. Mostly sunny skies, winds out of the south about 5 miles an hour. 93 for your Thursday, sunny skies. We do start to see southeasterly winds, not a ton of moisture. And another piece of good news, no triple digits expected. Thursday will be the warmest day, high of 93 for your Thursday. And then going into your weekend, the high pressure system weakens just a bit. That means not quite as hot temperatures. 92 for your Friday, 90 for your Saturday in the Concho Valley. Abilene, that high temperature Thursday afternoon is going to be 95. Mostly sunny skies for your Wednesday. High temperature will be 94 tomorrow, 95 Thursday. 94 for your Friday, and a nice and cool 91 for your Saturday. And these warm and dry conditions kind of look to stay with us until we get a nice big cold front to move through. High of 88 next Tuesday. You can always find the full forecast online and the latest on social media. Bert?